sustainable, secondhand, shopping steal, savings of deals. Time for another dose of secondhand savings steal of deals from the RealReals shopping unboxings. We got a few. We're gonna do, I think we'll do some and then not all, okay? We're gonna unbox these all one at a time, probably in separate videos. Part of my sustainable segment of saving, buying things secondhand from the RealReal and other places like that, but I've mostly been doing the RealReal, but maybe we'll start dipping into Fashion File, Rebag, and those other places. What goes around comes around. But I just like the RealReal because I have a long relationship there and I bought a lot of stuff and I've never really had terrible issues. But anyway, and I want them to do a partnership with me and give me a job. Hi RealReal, give me a job. Make me an ambassador. Make me your influencer. Okay? All right, so how's my hair look? Do I look crazy? I need a haircut, so a hat's gonna work. So we're gonna unbox one at a time. Start with this one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, Shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick secondhand savings steal videos from the RealReals unboxings. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching, okay? To the unboxing. So this, I think, is what I think it is. It's already breaking now because I've thrown it around. I think what it is something that I bought hastily with credit, and I don't even know if I really want, but well, let's see how it turned out, okay? Okay, so I already unboxed it. Oopsies. Oopsies. Okay, so this is something I got. So it's a Chanel. It's a channel. So it's a channel. Okay, so if you guys remember, I bought that Hermes coat for $2,500, and it was during I returned it and rebought it for the promo so that I could get the $500 site credit for the next month. So $500 site credit I got, but then I always forget to use it. It always runs out. Like I was used like the last day. So last day, the 500 site credit was running out. I just did a quick search. I usually just go down to like 3 or 4 brands and things that are pristine or in excellent condition, and certain categories and certain things that I know I would want and like, or could have multiple of, or something that if I get and I don't like, I can return and not have an issue. And that eliminates bags or anything over 40% off discount, because then you can't return those things at the RealReal. Although there is a case to be made, you can argue for most things and say, but that's it's a 50, it's like a case by case if they'll let you return it. Anyway, so this one I think was pristine new and like didn't have a low discount or a high discount, and also, I thought it was cute, and so I just got it, and then I was gonna see if I liked it and then return it. I mean, looking at the box, it already feels like it's a lot. I thought it was gonna be a long wallet, like a long zip wallet, but this looks like it's gonna be a small one, which I wanted a long zippy one. Also, the price point for this was like $1,000. They got me again because I used that. I thought that 500 would be like 500 that I saved, so that the jacket would actually be 2,000. But it's not 500 saving. You're not getting 500 cash back. Even though that's what I'm thinking in my head, gay math, guy math, girl math, that I'm saving $500. I'm not actually saving $500. I have to spend another $500 on something else. So I could buy something for $500, and that thing is free technically. And the jacket's $2,500. The jacket is $2,000, and I got a free thing, however you want to look at it. But then I never ever end up buying something for $500. I end up having to buy something more. So this was like $1,000. So this ended up being another $600 or $1,100 or whatever. So this was $600 instead of $1,000. So I did save, but that's still, I bought another thing. Anyway, it's a Chanel. So like it's a lot smaller than I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be a big long wallet. I already unboxed it, so I'm reboxing it. Don't look. Okay, so it is Chanel zippy wallet. I think it's got some wear on it, which I don't know if it was supposed to or not. I think it's a Lagerfeld one. It's the reissue. I got it because it says Ritz Paris right there, and then there's a little Eiffel Tower, and it's got like gold and silver stuff, and it's the reissue, and it's the aged calfskin with the gold hardware, and it's a little phone with these little like sapphire crystals. I mean, I don't know what they actually are, but like cute little crystals and a little pearl. I mean, maybe it is crystals and a pearl, right? It's Chanel. Old Chanel. Bring it up close so you can look at it. That's what it looks like up close. Up close and personal. I feel like it's really old, but no authenticity card. So look at those little details. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's my seat. Excuse me. Get up for 1 second. Gunk on it too. Ew, that's like really gross gunk. Whose gunk is that? It's like this white and green crusty stuff. Okay, we're gonna ignore that. It's also got some white gunk on the back here. I don't like this white gunk. Why does gold get white gunk on it? Is this even gold actually? Is it, or is it not gold? Is it gold plated? Oh, and there's like a little red sapphire thingy in here too. I don't know if that's sapphire. There's also a little like diamondy like thing on the Ritz and on Paris. I don't know what those actual things are. I should probably look up what those are. But anyway, it's a zippy long wallet. 2 card holders on this side, 2 card holders on that side, and a zip in the middle with that burgundy interior. That's classic Chanel. It's got a serial number, so it's old. Does it have an authenticity card? No authenticity card. Hey! That's not nice. But dust bag, pouch, and wallet thingy. I mean, it is cute. It's not like, it's not too big. Like the long wallets are kind of big usually. And it's not too small, like a small wallet. It's a good sized wallet. But do I need it? No. Will I use it? Probably not. Will it sit in my closet for forever? Yes. Is it worth it then? I don't know. What do you guys think? Do we like it? Here. I'm gonna see the little gunk there. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep? Should I not? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. This is part 1 of 4. Because why not? Okay. We'll close this up. I'll catch you in the next one for part 2. What do you think we're going to do next? What should we do next? Okay? Let me know in the comments below. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your friends because I know your time is valuable and your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you on the next one, baby. Bye.